Samantala, excited na po si Global Port Batang Pier swingman Carl Dehesa sa bagong assignment na naiatang sa kanya. Ito'y matapos siya maging bahagi ng Philippine team na sasabak sa FIBA 3x3 World Championships. Si Maria Isabel Reyes para sa buong detalye.
Lumipad na patungong Guangzhou, China noong linggo ang Philippine team na sasabak sa FIBA 3x3 World Championships. Bahagi ng PH team sina Global Port Batang Pier swingman Carl Dehesa, former FEU stars Mac Belo at Russell Escoto, at si NLEX Road Warriors guard Glenn Cobuntin. Sa panayam ng PTV Sports kay Dehesa, hindi nito naitago ang excitement sa nakatakdang pagkatawan sa Philippine team na sasabak sa World Championships. Araw-araw din daw ang kanilang ensayo para sa magandang performance sa World Championships.
Feels great. I mean, it's a great experience. It's going to be a great experience and a great opportunity to play against some of the world's best 3x3 players. And I'm excited for the opportunity to go out there and compete.
2 beses na ring naglaro para sa Pilipinas sa FIBA World Tour at Masters kung kaya hindi na rin daw siya maninibago sa kompetisyon. Gayunpaman, umaasa naman ang 6'2" dribbler na makakapag-uwi sila ng karangalan sa bansa.
You'll expect us to go out there and give it our best and play hard and play together. As long as we keep that together, I think we can make a little noise out there. I mean, I know we're going to be underdogs in our pool of giants, but we will fight out there. We will play hard.
Makakasama ng Team Philippines sa Pool C ang mga bansang Poland, Romania, Spain at Hungary. Gaganapin sa Guangzhou, China ang FIBA 3x3 World Championships mula Oktubre 11 hanggang 15. Maria Isabel Reyes, PTV Sports.